Look at that down there. I've seen some things down here. Let me zoom in. Look at that. See them birds down there? Those look like chickens that like water. It's a South Carolina chicken. I wonder if that's good eating. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more. I'm gonna try and get zoomed in. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Look at that. That's one of, what? Wait a minute. That don't look like no chicken. That's a turkey. Those are the South Carolina swamp turkeys. And they're skinny. It must be because it's, somebody needs to feed them. They're just starving. Y'all need some food? Hey, turkey, turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. I didn't know turkeys liked water. I didn't know turkeys were white. Maybe they are chickens. They're swamp chickens. Let me see. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 4, 5. Oh, wait a minute. That's reflections in the water. All right. Well, it's getting buggy out here. All right.